could probably put your things here, and then you could...
And now the GoPro.
That would have been bad. Well, imagine if it fell over.
I know, over the
Oh,
balcony.
jeez.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going through an engagement shoot here in Edinburgh, Texas at Rancho Guadalupe. And I was actually able to get access to a GoPro, so I was able to figure something out and rig it out and put it on top of my camera to record kind of like behind the scenes of an engagement shoot. And as you can tell by the title, it is how I get my couples to pose candidly and some of the cues that I do. And hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys don't know who I am, if you're new here to this channel, my name's Brendan. I'm a wedding photographer in South Texas. I'm here to show you how to run a photography business, how to take better photos and video. And if that's something that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and don't forget to smash the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'm trying to get 2,000 subscribers. Just saying. There's no pressure. You could just hit the little button there. It's okay, I'll wait. All right, anyways, let's get through the shoot. Here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Cool. I'm just breaking the ice with this pose. And here I'm trying to fill in the dead space on the left of them on the photo. So that's why I'm shooting through these shrubs. And it also creates a little bit of interest. And personally, me, I kind of like the black and white.
Also, just kind of like put your forces together. Yeah, cool. Nice. All right, give me it.
I don't know.
Cool, guys. Just kind of hold that real quick. Here, cool. Nice. That way. But these are really nice. You're gonna like this. Cool. Awesome. Alrighty, here we go. And 1, 2, 3.
So this is how I've been running my shoots recently, is where I get my couples into a pose and then I'll give them a prompt to do, and that just kind of gets them comfortable in front of the camera. It kind of, you know, helps them forget that they're having their photos taken.
And then, bro, that's gonna sound kind of weird, but can you purr in her ear like a cat? I mean, it's like a dead, there you go. That's like a bird, actually. I don't know. It's kind of...
Another way to get your couples looking candid, just have them hold hands, walk, and then as you see here, you're just gonna kind of like bump hips, and you get some really nice reactions out of this.
And one more time. Cool. Awesome.
Boom. There you go. I dig it.
Good. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then 4 hits. There you go. Nice. Cool. Good job. Let's see. Let's do that one more time. I'm just gonna get a close up. One more. Like I kind of like the way you guys were. Hips. Everything together. Nice. Cool, guys. Nice. Cool. And then Alex, can you look at me real quick? Just kind of smile. And nice. Cool. And then Ralph, just kind of put your nose right on her cheek again. Sorry. Nice. Awesome. And then hold that. And then eyes closed. One more time. Looking down. Nice.
Nose in the cheek, eyes closed, looking down and smiling. Can't get any more candid than that.
Yeah. Nice. Do you guys know why gnomes laugh when they run in the tall grass?
Wait, what?
Yes.
Do you know why gnomes laugh when they run in the tall grass?
No.
Because it tickles their balls.
Never heard that?
You never heard that joke?
No.
Okay.
Like the quail.
Dang. Do whatever you want, what you can. Just kind of do your thing. Good job, guys. See?
Are you smiling? Smile.
Cool, guys. Cool, and then can you kiss him on the cheek real quick?
Kiss me on the...
Cool, and then Ralph, you're gonna look right at me. Nice. Nice, guys.
The thing to remember about doing silhouettes is that you really need to get some dramatic motion. So what I usually tell them to do is to kind of run or slightly jog and hold the hands together. That way we get the most motion from their hands and feet.
Alrighty, I think I'm ready. Let's see. Yep, ready whenever you're ready. Go ahead and do. Cool, looking right at each other. Nice. Nice, good job.
I couldn't make up my mind if I like the silhouette better, you know, or the regular exposed one. So, you know, I usually just send both. You know, Alex and Ralph, they wanted to get their dogs involved in the shoot, so, you know, I just snapped some cats of them while they were, you know, during that process, and, you know, this is how they came out.
For your left hand, it's kind of weird. I know it's cool. You can have the leash. It's cool. Perfect.
You know, I must have taken like 1,000 photos, and we ended up with like one keeper where everybody was looking at the same time. And, you know, we also got a candid photo of them, you know, interacting with the dogs, which I really like this photo, actually.
Alrighty. Oh. Cool. Nice. There we go. That's cool.
More creeper candids.
And so for this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do like an everyday type of motion. Wax on, wax off, something that we do every day. Be creative, okay. And so Alex, your job is to guess what he's doing.
Okay. Like what's it called? Game? Yeah, charades.
Something like that, yeah, like charades. Okay. So now, if you guess it right, then Ralph, I just want you to like kiss her like. If she gets it right, as hard as you can, like 1,000 times. This way, just attack her with kisses. Cool. All right, good job. And whenever you're ready. Cool. All right, cool. So ready? You guys can, yeah, just kind of lean up against each other like that. That's cool. All right, cool. So, let's see, Ralph, what is Alex's favorite color? Oh, sorry. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Hold on. I already forgot the game. Hello. Okay. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, red. Okay, cool. All right, good. My bad. See, I already forgot the rules.
Oh crap! I got him.
Yeah, I know. You don't have one.
Alrighty guys, that about wraps up this video. I am tired, I am hungry, I'm ready to go home and eat and shower and import all these photos, back them up, and do it all again tomorrow. If you like this video guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that smash button. Hit the smash button, Jesus. Smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.